While editing, I realized how boring and flat this edit looked.
Just look at me, look.
Good thing my dad taught me this tricks. So the first step, I freeze clip number 2. Then make it an overlay set to 0.8, give 2 keyframes, then drag the front keyframe down, then give a cubic out graph, and don't forget to remove the BG overlay. Next to the second step, if the overlay has been removed BG, then go to stroke, then select luminescence. Change the color to black. Set the opacity to 100 and size 30. We enter the third step. Give a slow zoom effect. Set the object to all videos, then drag the effect forward and backward. If you have given a keyframe to the effect, place the keyframe in line with the existing clip transition. Try to position the keyframe in line with each clip so that the results are good. Do the same thing until the end of the clip. Next, we go to the fourth step. Click the first keyframe, then set the range to 0. Then keyframe number 2, set it to 25. Then keyframe number 3, set it to 0. Continue to keyframe number 4, set it to 25. Then keyframe number 5, set it to 0. Again, do the same thing on the next keyframe. Do it correctly. Don't make a mistake in setting the range on each keyframe. If everything has been done correctly, move forward again and give the cubic out and cubic in graphics to each keyframe. We go to the last step. Give a swoosh blur transition between clip number 1 and number 2. Then give turbulence to animation to clip number 2 and let's see the results.
Just look at me, look.
Thank you for watching this video.